Hey guys, welcome back to Eevee. Today we're doing something a lot of you have been asking for, creating grass in Blender. And I'm not just going to show you one way, I'm going to show you two. We'll go over the particle hair system and the scatter on surface method. Alright, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and you won't miss any of my future low poly. Let's jump into method 1, the particle hair system. First, create a plane and subdivide it a few times. Now, create another plane. This one's going to be our grass shape. Turn on proportional editing. This will help us shape the grass blade naturally. Switch your transform orientation to normal. This makes it easier to shape along the surface. Once you're done, switch back to global orientation. In edit mode, make sure the object's origin is placed correctly, right at its base point. Still in edit mode, select all the faces and create a vertex group. Assign them to it. This is going to help us later when we do weight painting. Now head over to the particle system and switch it to hair. Turn on render as object and pick the grass shape we just made. Go ahead and follow along with the settings I'm using here, but feel free to tweak them however you like. Let's adjust the origin point of the object in edit mode too, just to get everything lined up right. Now add that vertex group to control density and length. Head to weight paint mode. Reduce the strength a bit. And paint wherever you want the grass not to grow. Congratulations! You just made your first grass field. Now let's move on to method 2. Method 2, scatter on surface. Quick heads up, this method only works on the newer Blender releases. Start by duplicating the grass object we made earlier. Create a new plane. And subdivide the surface, just like before. Add those points to a vertex group. Now go to Modifiers, Generate, and select Scatter on Surface. Want more grass? Just increase the density value. Pick the grass object we made. Looks like the grass is laying flat, messed up a bit. Let's fix the orientation. Press Ctrl+A and apply all transformations. Now adjust the object orientation. Head to the transform settings and adjust the scale. Tick the randomize option and set scale to 1. For rotation, set Z to 360 degrees and X to about 25 degrees. That'll give us some nice natural variation. Let's add a bit more grass while we're at it. Now, let's create a path through the grass field using weight paint. Click this icon and select the vertex group. Go to weight paint, reduce the strength, and paint your path however you like. And there you go, congratulations! Now you know how to make grass 2 different ways. Try both methods out and see which one works best for your project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.